I'm B.W. Salzman, and I'm going to be your guide during this mind-calming session. Mind-calming sessions are based on ancient techniques that are perhaps thousands of years old. They were created to bring about a deep sense of calm, especially during stressful moments in one's daily life, which we all at times have experienced. Also, these techniques, when practiced on a regular basis, can stabilize the mind so that a calmer mind becomes the quality of one's everyday mind. This particular session is called Be a Mirror. Be a Mirror. Now, before we begin, let me say that in order to achieve the maximum benefit from this mind-calming session, it's very, very important that you listen very carefully and attentively to what's being said, and also try to follow the instructions as closely as possible. Okay? Now, sit down in a comfortable chair in a private place where you won't be disturbed for the next 10 minutes or so. So sit up straight with both feet on the ground and assume a zero attitude, which means put your mind in neutral. Put your mind in neutral. Take 3 deep breaths, inhaling and exhaling slowly. Now direct your attention to the space about 2 feet in front of you, just in front of you. Now notice that you can see part of your body, your arms, your legs, and slowly study your arms and legs and the space they occupy. Very casually notice that your body appears to be just another object sitting in the space, same as the other objects in the room. Take in all of the space and all of the objects in one glance. And now sense the space just behind you, and sense that this space continues on endlessly into the deepest reaches of the universe. There is within every human being a calm, silent center of awareness that, like a mirror, only reflects what it sees, but does nothing to change it. That mirror is pure consciousness. At those times when a human being lives as this mirror of consciousness, they are calm, inwardly silent, and unflappable. As you look out on your present environment, which, by the way, includes your body, and later in your relationships with other people, be like a mirror. Just reflect what's there. That's all. Have a zero attitude and inwardly passive attitude. Inwardly have no desire to do anything to change anything that you see. Just allow everything to remain exactly as it is. Just be like a mirror, silently, passively reflecting, but never doing anything. Now close your eyes, and if a thought arises, just be a mirror and reflect what you see or think. Don't get involved with the story, the idea, the content of the thoughts. Now casually put some attention on your body, and as a mirror, reflect the sensation of weight resting on the chair. Again, as a mirror, notice the sensation of your clothing against your body. As a mirror, reflect the sound of my voice. Reflect the sound of the silences between my words and sentences. As a mirror, listen to the sound of your breathing and notice how your abdomen and chest rise and fall as you inhale and exhale. Now I want you to remain with your eyes closed for a minute or so until I tell you to open them. Now open your eyes and look around the room and notice where you are. If you have benefited by this mind calming session, please mail or call friends and tell them about it. Give them a gift of a calm mind. A calmer mind is a calmer and saner world. Thank you. And I'm sure I'll be seeing you again. Until then, be calm. Be calm.